Hello guys, good afternoon to all of you. So let's have a review about the quiz number 2, fourth quarter. So we have the given guys, number 1, prove triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADC. So here's the given figure. So we have two triangles here, triangle ABC, so this triangle, and then another triangle is triangle ADC. Now, we are going to make a two-column proof here. So the first column, we have the statements. And then the second column is the reasons. Alright, so let's begin. You see this colored mark, so it means that is the given. So we will start our statement based on this figure. So we have segment AB, number 1, segment AB is congruent to segment DC. So what is the reason? We are going to write here, given. So here. So it mark red color. Then number 2, the second here, look at this segment, AD and segment BC. It means these sides are congruent because of this marking. So right here, segment AD congruent to segment BC. Then, what do you think is the third statement that you are going to write? So we have now AB congruent to segment DC, number 2, segment AD congruent to BC. By the way, the reason here is again given, because it's already here. Now, the third statement will be using this segment. AC congruent to segment AC. Because this is the third sides of the, if you will observe, the two triangles have shared sides. So this is the shared side, AC. Then AC congruent to segment AC. So what is the reason? So we have reflexive property. Okay? And then number 4, since we have now these three sides, so number 4 statement will be triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADC. So, what is your reason now here? This is the last statement. So, S, S, S. Okay, the same here. S, S, S. So, you are going to write here S, S, S postulate. So this is now the answer. Alright? Okay guys, let's proceed to question number 2. Here's the question. Prove triangle AMB congruent to triangle CMD. So here's the given figure. So this time again, we are going to make a two-column proof. So we have the statements. So the first column will be the statements. And then the second column will be reasons. Number 1, look at the figure. So we have two triangles, number 1, number 2. So we have the markings here. So it means segment BM congruent to segment MD or DM. So that is your number 1 statement. BM congruent to segment DM. So the reason is, of course, given. And then number 2, we have AM and MC. Segment AM congruent to segment CM. So again, you are going to write here given. The third statement here will be angle. So what do you think, guys? So we have this angle and this angle also. So to name this angle, we have angle AMB. Angle AMB is congruent to angle CMD. So what do you think is the reason of these two angles? So for the reason, you are going to write vertical angles. Okay, so they are vertical angles. So vertical angles are congruent. And then number 4 will be this statement, triangle A and B is congruent to triangle CMD. So what do you think is the postulate applied here? So we have side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. So right here, SAS postulate. So that is the final answer. Tadan! Okay, question number 3. Prove triangle ABC congruent to triangle XYZ. So we have two triangles, number 1 and the second triangle. Then you will notice that we have the red markings. So it means those are the given. Now, we are going to make 2-column proofs here. The first column will be the statements. So statements and reasons. Number 1 statement. Let's begin here. So we have segment AC congruent to segment XY. So reason is given. Number 2, we have angle A congruent to angle X. Reason is given. So it's here. And then the number 3 statement is angle B congruent to angle Z. So reason is given. Now, by means of these 3, so number 4, we can say that triangle ABC congruent to triangle XYZ. So what do you think is the final reasons here? So we have angle, angle, side. So angle, angle, side. Okay, AAS. Thank you. Tada! Last question, guys. Question number 4. Prove triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. Now look at the given. We have now the figure with markings, the red markings. So here again we are going to draw 2-column proof. So we have the statements, and then we reasons. Okay, number one statement. So let's begin here. AC congruent to DF, segment DF. You know now the reason, of course, it's given. Okay, next, angle A congruent to angle D. Again, given. Number 3, we have angle C congruent to angle F. Another given. And number 4, we have triangle ABC. ABC congruent to triangle DEF. So the reason is angle, side angle, angle, side angle, SAS postulate. Okay guys, thank you. Have a wonderful day everybody. Bye-bye.